Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fish in Fish the game. Select your rod. I just have this one, and you're just going to press on this until you've reached the green line. Then you're going to hit the shake button, and you're going to want to make sure that fish icon is in the middle or it's always on the white bar. So just move it left or right. To move it right, just click on it. To move it left, you're just going to let it go of your mouse. Like that until you get the fish. This one's like a hard fish to catch. As you can see, there's like a progress speed. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.